Hello to the fourth day. Today is 2nd of January. It's your proverbial boy Rook, and today we've got again 8Q exercise, which is called Holiday 6 Shark Pontoon. Now, it goes like this. Your friend invites you to a cool floating pontoon around 1 kilometer off the beach. Among other things, the pontoon has a huge slide that drops you right into the ocean, a small way from a set of stairs used to climb out. As you plunge out of the slide into the water, you see a shark hovering in the darkness under a pontoon. Crap! You need to work it out. If the shark will get to you before you can get to the pontoon. To make it easier, as you do the mental calculations in the water, you either freeze when you realize you are dead or swim when you realize you can make it. There are 5 given variables. Shark distance from the shark to the pontoon. The shark will eat you if it reaches you before you escape to the pontoon. Shark speed in meters per second. Pontoon distance, how far you need to swim to safety in meters. U-speed, how fast do you swim in meters per second. And a dolphin, which is a boolean, true or false. And if it's true, you can have the swimming speed of the shark, because the dolphin will apparently attack the shark. Now, the pontoon, you and the shark are all aligned in one dimension, so it's really easy to imagine or to make this exercise. If you make it, return alive. If not, return shark bait. Let's train. Now the thing is, I think this is something you could see in the physics homework back in gymnasium. So I sometimes got confused with all those meters per second and stuff like that in converting units. But it really helps to just say it out loud, and since I'm filming this video, I'm always talking out loud, so this should be easy peasy lemon stick it easy. So, at first, let's just like do it slowly, you know, one thing at a time, even if it takes a lot. So, the thing is that I must know the shark, how fast can shark get to the pontoon. So I should say shark, how should we name this variable? Shark time. Let's say shark time. Alright, shark time is just, if I understand correctly, shark distance, which is, I'm just writing kind of a pseudocode, so don't worry. Shark distance, which is in meters, I think, which is in meters, times shark speed, which is in meters per second. So alright, I'm not that bright, you know. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. So let's say if let's make an obvious one. Let's say path is 500 meters and car speed in meters per second is, let's say it's 10 meters per second. So if we just say travel time, is it path times car speed in ms? Let's see, travel time is 5,000 seconds. 5,000 seconds. And if we divide, translate, so that's that is like an hour and a half. That's like an hour and a half. So if car speed is 10 meters per second and there's like 500 meters to drive, car would need 1 hour and a half, a little less than 1 hour and a half, which is obviously wrong, because car, to reach this distance, it would need like, I don't know, 50 seconds. It would need like 50 seconds, 50 times 10 is 500, yeah. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Now where did it go wrong? Shark distance. Oh, look. I have done this in a pen and a piece of paper, man. I have done this with a pen and a piece of paper. Now, it's kind of embarrassing, but I'll just roll with it. Shark time, shark distance. So, if I understand correctly, you just need to, you've got speed, and you must, so this is the time. You just divide the path by speed. Shark distance divided by shark speed. Alright. Luckily, again, thank God. Alright, thank you A.Partridge to making this kata, and the biggest thank you is to make a tests, because tests really help you a lot. Now, I'm also a fan of test-driven development, although I don't use it yet over here. I have looked into it, I read a book and stuff like that, so I like it a lot. So, let's just say U time, how much do you need to do Pontoon? Just say Pontoon distance divided by U speed. Now, if you just say, let's make a if statement. If like, is there a way to like put this dolphin variable over here? Because you could just say divide it and divide all that, Oh, now we're getting into mathematics territory, I don't know if this is allowed, like Polish notation in Python code. Shark time, and then let's just say if dolphin, shark time equals shark time divided by 2, that's it. And then another if statement, we say if U time is less than shark time, return alive. If else U time is greater than shark time, well, then your shark bait capitalized. I should return these two strings. Pests don't get eaten. Alright, let's test it out. Invalid syntax. If else. Elif. I should use elif. Alright, let's test it out. Shark bait should equal alive. Huh? What's going on here? What's going on here? Alright, let's now, this is a bug. Let's debug it. So the thing is, it's a false negative. And with you are very close to the pontoon, shark is very far. You are like always 4 speed, shark is kinda fast, and also dolphin helps you out, and this thing still returns shark bait. Now let's make a print statement. This is your time. I would just say you time, and this is shark's time, and we'll just say shark time. Alright, let's test it out. Okay, so here you're really slightly faster in the first instance than a shark. In the second instance, you are again faster than the shark. No, you're slower than the shark in the second instance. I made a classical mathematical bamboozle. I should have made shark's time times 2 if the dolphin helps you out, because with this it looks like as the dolphin helps the shark. If it shortens its time, it should multiply its time. So let's test it again. What a classic bamboozle, Rook. Well, it happens to the best of us, you know how they say. Alright, now I think there's a better way to solve this, but I gotta get to work now. So I'll just submit this one. I'll just submit, and I'll not let you go. I'm not gonna finish the video yet. I'll just check out the solutions, which solution is the best. Now this one did the same thing as me. I think this is like the best best practice voted solution. So let's see. Well, sharks he did a similar thing as I did, but before, and he also did the same thing as I did with he also in 2 lines he or she figured out the shark time and your time, and he didn't check for the dolphin variable after the calculated times but before them, and he did it kind of a different way, or she did it kind of different way because she split the shark speed, and and she also just made a smart 1-line return if sentence, you know, because let's see, can I see my code? I know there's a way. You can compare with your solution over here. You see, I have used like 4 lines what this person did in 1 line. I don't think that really matters, you know. I think it's just like one-liners are cool, I think, and I should look up to them, because sometimes you could see, this is just written in shorter way, but it can be more confusing. But I figured out that sometimes one-liners are more verbose than tell you more, you know. So let's say, okay, I didn't, okay. I'm just like throwing logs under my feet by talking right now, because I said that I have calculated both times before checking for the dolphin variable, but I first calculated the shark time, then checked for the dolphin variable, and then your time. But you know, all in all, this is very easy kata, and I have been up there with the best practice. You know, here is another one which is everything is a one-liner, but I guess this is not as much as a best practice, because that dude just like a Ramkey coder just I think kind of sacrificed the verbosity for the like fanciness, you know, because everything is in one line. So props to that. However, this video is already too long. You know, everything on YouTube that's longer than 0 seconds is too long. So thank you for watching and have a good day.